This is my Volvo V50, which I bought for £1,000 and imported it into the UK. And now I'm going to put a bunch of Aliexpress mods into it. So let's get straight into it.
Alright, we're gonna start off small and we're gonna leave the big one for last. Alright, we'll start off with these. They're pretty simple. They're just seat covers, so nothing falls in between them. To install, you just push them down here. There you go. So it already looks much better, especially with the branding and everything. And this just prevents anything from dropping. Next we have these pedals. The stock ones are really ugly, so we're just gonna put these aluminium ones on it and should make the car feel nicer as well.
Now after hours of struggling, I did not realize you have to take the old ones off. I thought you just clip it on that. So in the end I did figure out you have to take the old ones off here. And I ended up getting it on.
Okay. Shit, look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god, that's actually really good.
That's much, man. Next we've got the seatbelt cover clips. Blue design, should match nice with the outside of the car.
After messing around trying to figure out where to put it, I did end up just putting it at the top just because it looked nicer than in the middle. That looks goofy.
It looks much cooler. The only annoying thing is that doesn't retract.
Now just doing the same thing to the other side.
Calm in it. Next we've got these, just cup holder covers. Will make it look nicer, cleaner, smoother overall.
Now I already had one of these, it just looked ugly, so I dashed it out the window and put the new ones on.
So we've got these handle covers, just makes it a carbon fiber branding look on the door handles. We've got these little stickers. I'm just gonna put them around the car. I'm thinking of getting the R design ones here. We've got V50 stickers for the mirrors. Pressure. Slow and steady. Way. That's alright. Perfect. And let's do the same thing to the other side.
Oh my god.
Carbon fiber mirrors. These go on the mirrors to prevent rain and everything, and just gives it a sporty look. My favorite out of all of them, this is the Volvo Underglow. Okay, so I've got these Volvo lights. They put a Volvo sign underneath here, right? So I look down. There's no light. These goes on the wheel arches and it really puts the Volvo in the Volvo.
Right, so I just ended up putting them on the steering wheel because they didn't fit on the wheels and they didn't look nice either.
Alright. Oh, look at that. So I'm thinking we're gonna put that there. I got two, so on both sides.
Yep.
Look at those kids. I wish I was happy like them. Now the only annoying thing is, with the other side, it's the exact same angle, so it's not inverted. So I don't know how that would look, but I reckon that's not bad.
That's fine.
That's fine.
That's perfect.
Actually, it should be like that. It's that side that's not inverted. It's a pretty simple one. These blue Volvo R design. Now I have white ones on them, and these are on focus. These are Volvo white ones. They're all right, but you know what it is? It's these blue ones. They go nicer with the car, and I'm gonna spray paint these a metallic grey. Not spray paint. I'll get it painted properly. A metallic grey. Anyways, these are R design ones. Now, this car is not an R design, but we're a little silly. Say that.
My mic wasn't working, so anyways, I got this for £1. I think it was just a little over £1. Let's put these on.
Okay, now we have this. It's a whistle. Yeah, it's generally just a whistle. So what this would do is you put this on your exhaust, and as you rev it, it gives it a turbo noise. It's like a turbo noise, but it's just a whistle. So first we're gonna do a quick regular start first, and we're gonna see how that goes. And just the sound of it, so I'm gonna put the microphone right next to the exhaust. Now let's put this on it. Now that the whistle's on it, let's do another start. I'm gonna put you in the same place.
It honestly sounds like a dying pigeon, but let's see how it sounds on the road.
Alright, last but not least, this. This is like a carbon fiber, like aluminium, and it should really change up the things compared to these ones. As you can see, broken, ugly, black, and this is, I don't know, it just doesn't suit it.
Why'd you say black like that?
Huh?
Yeah, so this, much nicer, aluminium, not black, but there's like carbon fiber.
Huh?
Like, yeah.
That's more black.
Alright. Number one victory. Alright. We gotta take this stuff off just so we can get into the main frame. Ooh. As you can see. Oi, 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 cousin. My bad. Okay, we need the tools. I left the tools in the back. My bad. If there's actually any screws up on there, using this one as a, no, just wires, no screws. Okay, so by that logic, we should be able to pull it out.
After hours of struggling, I decided to just use my manifestation skills to find out.
Using my own knowledge, I think I have to just pull this out like this. Now we got 2 screws right here. I don't know why that flew. Should be able, statistically, to just...
Oh,
Way!
job successful.
Get up.
Thank you.
Now, we got this guy. Now, this one has a little problem. Heated seats. This car doesn't have heated seats. This module, I hope it has Bluetooth. Because this one, you had to change the module to put Bluetooth on it because it doesn't have Bluetooth. But this is from a Neo model car. So either it works just regularly, just these 2 buttons won't work. That's probably the most likely cause. Or, if we're lucky, we get Bluetooth as well. And if we're really unlucky, nothing will work. Then I'll have to change everything individually, which I hope we won't have to do. Dropping everything. Now, shit, which one's the new one? This one.
That's green.
I'm gonna put that by you. Take care of it, yeah. I think it's only right to test if everything works. Tin, please. Okay, this side. Pull the clip, push it down. The original one is in Dutch because this is a Dutch car. So let's hope this is in English. Moment of truth. Woo, baby! It's a new font and everything. Let's test the buttons. Pass. Okay, chill. Okay, heated seats don't work, obviously. Volume. Volume no work. Tuning doesn't work. That does work. Heat. Oh,
Now it works.
and now it works.
Try tuning,
Tuning works, okay. Okay, menu. Menu works.
Numbers.
Climate, car settings. Okay, so it's in English. Reduce guard. Windows setting. Okay, that works. Okay, those things work. Now, exit. The rear heating doesn't work. It's good enough. Let's put the screws back on. Let's get this over with. Cause I'm hungry. Trying to get some food. That's sick.
Alright, bye.